Good morning, students. 10th class chemistry. Continue with our topic. Preparation of aqueous ammonia. Now, aqueous ammonia we have to prepare. Here, an aqueous solution of ammonia is prepared by dissolving ammonia in water. So, ammonia gas will dissolve in water and aqueous ammonia will form. The rate of dissolution of ammonia in water is very high. Therefore, back suction of water is possible. To avoid this, a funnel is attached to the outer end of the delivery tube with rubber tubing. Here we can see this rubber tubing. This is the delivery tube and this is the rubber tubing, and funnel is attached and delivery tube is attached to this rubber tube. Here we have taken the ammonium chloride and calcium hydroxide, heat it, the gas will form, water and ammonia will come out through this delivery tube. Now the gas will dissolve in this water, and at the time when the gas is dissolving in this water, the water reaches up in the mouth of this funnel. So the water reaches into the funnel. As a result, the rim of the funnel loses its contact with water. So the water contact loses. Since the ammonium produced push the water down and funnel come in contact with water again. So this process will take place continuously. In this way, the ammonia dissolve in water without back suction of water.